next we'll solve another problem from the topic of recoil of gun. So question is, a bullet of mass 20 gram is fired horizontally with a velocity 300 meter per second from a gun carried in a carrier with which together with the gun has mass of 100 kg. The resistance of sliding of the carriers over the ice on which it rests is 20 Newton. So find the velocity with which, first point is find the velocity with which the gun will recoil. So we'll find out using conservation of momentum, and second one is distance in which it comes to rest. So we can find out using equation of motion, and the time taken to do so. So this also we can find out using equation of motion. So first we'll check the data. So first data is the mass of the bullet, that is 20 gram. So we'll convert all this data into a single unit. So we'll convert it into kg. So 0.02 kg. Next, velocity of the bullet, that is 300 meter per second. Next, mass of the carriers with gun, that is 100 kg. And resistance of sliding, that is 20 Newton. So first we will find out the velocity with which the gun will recoil. So we will find out using conservation of momentum like the earlier question. So from that we found that capital M into capital V, that is the mass of the gun with carriers, into the velocity with which the gun will recoil, equal to the mass of the bullet into the velocity of bullet with which it will move forward. So we found out the velocity with which the gun will recoil. Next we will find out the distance in which the gun comes to rest. So we will find out using equation of motion. So when the gun it will come to rest, so final velocity will be 0. So what is the initial velocity of the gun? So we have found out, we have already calculated, this is 0.06 meter per second. So the gun will recoil with a velocity of 0.06 meter per second, and finally it will come to rest. So the initial velocity is 0.06 meter per second and final velocity is 0. So you can see, and acceleration we can find out. So what is acceleration? Force equal to mass into acceleration. So the gun will provide the reactive force, that is equal to 20 Newton. You can see the resistance, that resistive force, that is 20 Newton. So that is equal to mass into acceleration. What is the mass of the gun with carriers? That is 100 kg. So we found out the acceleration value. So 20 equal to 100 into acceleration. So acceleration we found out, you can see 0.2 meter per second square. Now we'll put it in the equation of motion. So now we'll put it in the equation of motion. So what is equation of motion? V square minus u square equal to 2as. So here it is a resistive force. So the gun is deaccelerating, I mean it is moving backward because of the reactive force. So the minus sign is because of retardation. So we found out the distance after putting it in the equation of motion. We found out the distance equal to 9 mm. So next, the time taken by the gun in coming to rest. So this is also we can find out using equation of motion. So v equal to u plus at. So what is final velocity? Velocity equal to 0. Initial velocity 0.06 meter per second. Acceleration we found out previously 0.2. So here also it is minus sign because of retardation. So we found the time is 0.2 second. So you can see this question again. So next is equation of motion. I have already told you these are 3 equation of motions. So we'll solve one simple problem related to this. So the question is, a train traveling at 27 km per hour is accelerated at a rate of 0.5 meter per second square. What is the distance traveled by the train in 12 seconds? So s equal to ut plus half at square. So initial velocity is given as 27 km per hour. So always convert it into meter per second. Always keep every data in a single unit. Next, after putting all these values, we will find out the distance. So next question is, a scooter starts from rest and moves with a constant acceleration 1.2 meter per second square. Determine its velocity after it has traveled for 60 meter. So distance is 60 meter. We have to find out the velocity. So final velocity we have to find out, and initial velocity is it's starting from rest, so initial velocity is 0. So we'll put it in the equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2as. So here it is accelerating, so it will be plus sign. So after solving this equation of motion, we got the velocity is 12 meter per second. So these are the motion equation of motion under gravity. So here when the body moves due to the gravity, so in this case it will move with an acceleration which is equal to acceleration due to gravity, which I have already discussed in the previous session. So next topic is work energy. So I will discuss it in the next in my next video.